Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Indian Beauty Queen. So today in this video I'm going to share skin whitening roll-on. So in this summer season roll-ons are a must have for everyone. But if you don't have any roll-ons with you, don't worry guys. I will share one DIY video so that you can easily prepare your own roll-on. That DIY roll-on also makes your whole day fresh. So yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before starting the video, if you're watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified about every latest video update. Now let's get started. Now let's see how to prepare our homemade roll-on. If you're having old roll-on bottles, you can just use that. But today I'm going to use this container to prepare my roll-on. So for that you need any aloe vera gel or any body lotion. So today I'm going to use this body lotion. If you want, you can use this aloe vera gel also. Now take amount of this required amount of this body lotion in any container. So I have taken this much of body lotion, moisturizing lotion. So to this I am going to add talcum powder. So I'm using this Pond's Dream Floor talcum powder. You can use any other brands, whatever you like. So adding nearly 1 spoon of talcum powder. So after adding this talcum powder, finally I'm going to add essential oil to get that natural fragrance, good fragrance. So I'm having rose essential oil and lavender essential oil with me. You can use whatever essential oil you like, but today I'm using this rose essential oil. It's really fragrance of this essential oil is really very calming and soothing. So I'm going to add this essential oil, 2 3 4 to 5 drops. I am going to add 4 to 5 drops because I love the smell of this rose essential oil as it's lightweight. So I have added 5 to 6 drops of this essential oil. Now I'm going to mix everything well. Now our homemade roll-on is ready. Let's see how to use this roll-on. Application of this is also really very easy. As I have said, if you are having these old roll-on bottles, you can transfer this to this roll-on bottles, but as I'm not having any old roll-on bottles, so I'm just using this in this container only. So you can also make larger quantity and store it, or you can just make it for a week and instantly you can prepare whenever you want. So it will just enough for 1 week. Now let's test how this roll-on works. Just apply it on your underarm area. So you can see, just apply this like this. Actually the smell of this roll-on is surely very soothing and calming effect. So very refreshed feeling. Wow. Actually I love the smell of this roll-on than my market which Actually, I have really loved this roll-on smell than market one. I absolutely loved this homemade roll-on smell very much than this market one also. Try this at your home. Really, you will love it. Love it. So you can store it as usual like this. You may not store it in refrigerator also. So this is how you can prepare your own roll-on at your home. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all found this video to be helpful, and until next useful video, see you, bye.